In this video, we're going to compare MonsterInsights and the Google Analyticator plugin and show you the major differences. While both of these plugins connect your site to Google Analytics, there's some major differences in how they work. Welcome to MonsterInsights, a better way to see your Google Analytics data, allowing you to focus on creating content that will help you grow your website and build your business. Be sure to check out the links that we've left in the description, hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and be part of the conversation. MonsterInsights is by far the most user-friendly and powerful Google Analytics plugin for WordPress. It helps you to add Google Analytics to your WordPress site quickly and provides you with detailed information about your visitors. In addition to the default Google Analytics reports, you can also view other metrics like eCommerce, ads, forms, and more. MonsterInsights has a dashboard widget that gives you a quick overview report and provides you with pages that display specific detailed reports. Google Analyticator is another Google Analytics plugin for WordPress, and like MonsterInsights, it allows you to easily install the Google Analytics tracking code without needing to edit your theme's files. Google Analyticator also has a dashboard widget providing you with a very limited summary of your site's performance. The big difference between the two revolves around their reporting features. Google Analyticator shows only the basic overview of your site's performance, while MonsterInsights gives you more advanced metrics. By default, Google Analyticator's dashboard widget includes a graph showing the unique sessions your site's triggered in the past 30 days. Of course, you can use the drop-down menu in the upper right-hand corner to change it to yesterday or 60 days. It also has a quick summary of the site usage, the total visits, page views, pages per visit, bounce rate, average time on site, and percent of new visits. Your top 5 pages. The top 5 refers to your site and the top 5 search terms being used to find your site. You can also add a few other reports by enabling the tracking features on its settings page. Now to do that, you'll need to navigate to your admin sidebar and hover your mouse over Google Analytics, and then click on Google Analytics. Now from there, you can enable some options under the link tracking settings, like outbound link tracking, event tracking, enhanced link attribution so you can see which links are getting more clicks, download tracking for your PDFs, MP3s, and other downloadable files, and Google AdSense tracking. Now that's all. Google Analyticator doesn't provide you with any more options. So to see anything else, you'll have to log into your Google Analytics account. Okay, so now let's look at all the reporting options for MonsterInsights. Let's take a look at the dashboard widget first. Now here you'll see the overview report. By default, you'll see a graph of your site's sessions and unique page views for the last 30 days. You can customize the date range by clicking the drop-down menu here. And you can expand the widget by clicking here. If you click the cog icon, you can further customize what you'll see on the widget, like which overview reports are displayed. You can choose the publisher's report that you'd like to see, and you can select from the list of eCommerce reports, or you can choose to hide the dashboard widget altogether. Now, just beneath the graph, you'll see a quick summary of total sessions, page views, average session duration, and bounce rate. You can expand each section to reveal your top 10 posts and pages on your site. Google Analyticator only shows you 5. New versus returning visitors showing the percentages in a pie chart. Device breakdown by percentage, and your top exit pages. Now, to view all the other reports, you can either click on the See Full Report button, or you can go to your admin sidebar, hover your mouse over Insights, and then click on Reports. Once you do, you'll see the Overview report with a graph of the number of sessions and page views. Google Analyticator doesn't provide this option. Now from here, you can easily download a PDF of the summary page by clicking the Export PDF Report button. And you can change the date range by clicking the drop-down menu on the right. Now on this page, you'll see 3 different graphs of your sessions, page views, new versus returning visitors, and a device breakdown. And just beneath that, you'll see the top 10 countries your visitors are coming from, the top 10 referrals that are sending traffic to your site, and you'll see your top 10 posts and pages. Next, we'll click on the Publisher's Report. The Publisher's Report provides lots of information that's really helpful to bloggers and digital marketers. First, you'll see the top 10 landing pages on your site with the number of visits, average duration on the page, and bounce rate. Now, this report helps analyze the performance of your web pages individually. Google Analyticator doesn't give you this kind of detailed information for your top pages. Next, you can see the top exit pages with the total number of exits, page views, and percent of exits. This report isn't available in Google Analyticator either. Then scrolling down just a little, you'll see the top outbound links for your site. Now to the right, you'll see your top affiliates report. If you've added affiliate links on your site, then MonsterInsights will display the affiliate links that are getting the most clicks. Unfortunately, Google Analyticator doesn't have that feature. Next, you'll see your top download links. The demographics report shows you the age range, gender reports, and interest categories reports. You'll also find that these reports can be tracked in Google Analyticator as well. If you want more comprehensive data than what the publisher's report is offering, then you can always check out our definitive guide to Google Analytics for publishers for more details. So be sure to see the link in the description below. Next up, we'll look at the Search Console report. MonsterInsights lets you view your Search Console report right inside your WordPress dashboard. Of course, you'll need to connect your Search Console account to Google, but don't worry, we've made it easy for you. Just hit the link on your screen and we'll show you how you can do it, or you can use the link in the description below and follow the step-by-step written guide. Now, once it's set up, just click on this Search Console Report tab and you'll see the top Google search terms that are being used for your site. Now, here you'll see the keywords that you're using and which ones are doing well in search engines, and allows you to see the number of clicks, impressions, click-through rate, and the average position that keyword has in Google search. While the Google Analyticator plugin shows you the site's top searches, it only shows you 5 terms, and it only allows you to see the number of clicks for each term. So MonsterInsights gives you much more in the way of details. Okay, so now let's click on the eCommerce tab in MonsterInsights to get a glance at how your online shop is doing. MonsterInsights eCommerce tracking is a great feature, but you won't find it in Google Analyticator. Now, while you can track e-commerce using Google Analytics, it isn't very easy to set up, but MonsterInsights makes it super simple and it only takes a few clicks. In the first section, you'll see a quick summary of your shop's conversion rate, total transactions, total revenue generated, and the average order value. Then in the next section, you'll see your top 50 reports with the total quantity of your sales, percent of sales, and total revenue generated by each product. You can also view your sales' top conversion sources, the number of visits they had, the percentage of sales that they've generated, and the total revenue that they're providing. Scrolling down a little further, you'll see the total adds to cart report that provides the details about how many days it took for site visitors to purchase from your site, including the number of finalized transactions. And right beside that, you'll see how many sessions it took for site visitors to make a purchase, how many of those transactions were finalized, and the percentages. Next, we'll click on the Custom Dimensions tab at the top of the page, and you'll see the most popular tags being used on your site and the number of sessions that they generated, the best time to publish posts, the most popular categories, your most popular authors, and the most popular post types. Also, you'll see your top logged-in users by session and the number of logged-in sessions. Another vital tracking feature that you'll find in MonsterInsights that is not available in Google Analyticator is forms tracking. You can find it by going to the Forms tab. Now here you'll see the name or ID of the form, the total impressions, conversions, and conversion rate for each of your forms. Okay, now let's look at the real-time report. MonsterInsights gives you real-time data about your site, whereas Analyticator doesn't. And you'll get things like the number of active users on your site, real-time page views per minute data, the top pages being viewed, your top referral traffic sources, your real-time viewers location by country and city. Okay, now let's see which plugin is more accurate and optimization ready. Both MonsterInsights and Google Analyticator connect to Google Analytics for your WordPress site's metrics. However, using MonsterInsights powerful add-ons, you'll get much more data. For example, if you've enabled Google AMP on your site, tracking can often be inaccurate, but MonsterInsights Google AMP add-on allows for accurate monitoring of all your mobile visitors to your AMP-enabled pages. And by using the MonsterInsights Performance add-on, you can adjust site speed and sample rate for Google Analytics. That way, if you're running a high-traffic site, you might hit the Google Analytics processing limit. With this add-on, it helps you stay within the limits by allowing you to specify what percentage of users should be tracked. And using MonsterInsights Google Optimize add-on and connecting it to your Google Optimize account, you can conduct split testing and personalization to improve your users' experience and boost your conversions. Plus, you can use the Facebook Instant Articles add-on to integrate your Facebook Instant Articles with Google Analytics with just one click, and you'll gain insight about your Facebook audience. Okay, so after looking at all of these options, it's probably apparent which plugin you should use. But if you're still wondering, let's do a quick overview once again. When it comes to reporting options, MonsterInsights is the winner because it allows you to track advanced analytic metrics and reports right inside your WordPress dashboard. Google Analyticator only provides you with a basic overview of your site's analytics in the dashboard. Ease of use? Probably a draw. Both MonsterInsights and Google Analyticator are easy to use. You'll get easy installation of Google Analytics code and a dashboard widget to view your reports directly. Plugin settings. MonsterInsights is the winner. While both of the plugin settings are relatively simple, MonsterInsights is beautifully crafted and well designed. Data accuracy. MonsterInsights again is the winner. It has powerful add-ons like Google Amp and the Performance add-on, ensuring that your data is more accurate. Tutorials and resources. MonsterInsights again is a clear winner. If you get stuck at any point while using MonsterInsights, it's easy to find help, tutorials, and comprehensive documentation to get you right back on track. But sadly, there aren't many tutorials and resources for Google Analyticator. Support and future updates. Here again, MonsterInsights is the best. MonsterInsights has a dedicated staff of experts and an excellent support team, so you'll get help right when you need it. While if you need help with Google Analyticator, well, you'll just have to depend on the support for them. If you're serious about growing your website and building your business, then there's no doubt that MonsterInsights is the plugin that you'll need to install. With its advanced tracking features and easy-to-use interface, it's the best Google Analytics plugin for WordPress. Now, why not join more than 2 million professionals that are using MonsterInsights and instantly get the analytics that you need to grow your business? To get a special discount, be sure to check out the link in the description. And to learn more MonsterInsights tips, tricks, and techniques, click one of the videos that you're seeing on your screen right now.